Okay, so why you have a pixelated and low quality shape you imported maybe from Illustrator? There's actually three reasons, or two actually, why you might have this problem. The first is maybe you have here in a resolution, instead of giving you the full resolution, you have quarter resolution. It's giving you half of the, actually not half, this is the half, that's giving you quarter of the resolution. But if you change to full, it's going to give you full resolution. But that probably didn't fix the problem for you. That's because you're gonna need to click on this here, switch, toggle switches, and then if you can't still see this, you make sure you check this button, expand. Usually you should have this as default, as I know this probably. And also check this button switches if you still can't see, because you have to look for this star. And this one is giving, you have to just click on, this is for continuously rasterize, and just check this button now. And now, as you can see, is very high quality. There's no problems there. So make sure you check this button right over here. I mean, for me it's already, it is, because this is actually rasterized shape. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.